Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about SAP Sales and Distribution Module, that is SD module. What is the need for learning this sales and distribution module from the consultant's point of view? Similarly, we are going to discuss about what is the advantages of implementing this SAP Sales and Distribution module for the companies, and why to learn this SAP Sales and Distribution module. What is the need for learning and implementing this SAP Sales and Distribution module? We will discuss in detail in this video. In our previous videos, we have discussed about material management module, the importance of implementing the material management module, the importance of implementing the simple logistics modules, the importance of implementing the simple finance module, and also the importance of implementing the S/4HANA Central Finance module. And today in this video, we are going to discuss about why to learn this sales and distribution module, and we are going to discuss about advantages from the consultant's point of view, as well as implementation of SAP SD from the client's point of view. So in this video, we will discuss each and everything in detail. What is the need for learning this sales and distribution module, and what are the major advantages of learning this sales and distribution module, and all other stuff. Now we will discuss each and everything one by one. SAP Sales and Distribution Module, or SD module, supports the end-to-end sales processes which is taking place in the day-to-day business operations. End-to-end sales processes, that means for any sales which involves many different processes, starting from inquiry to the delivery. We will discuss in detail about the entire sales processes and what is the reason for learning this sales and distribution module mainly. SAP SD module has been mainly used for sales and service of the product to the customers, which involves sales order processing as well as special sales order processing. That is also one of the reasons why we have to learn this sales and distribution module, and that is also one of the reasons why all the companies are implementing this SAP SD module for their businesses. And then the third point is SAP SD module handles the entire end-to-end sales processes, starting from inquiry, quotation, standard order, delivery, and billing. So I want to discuss more about this sales order processing. Any sales order processing in sales and distribution process will start from inquiry, followed by quotation, followed by standard sales order, that is the standard order, followed by delivery as well as billing. So this is the generalized sales cycle which is followed by any sales processes. And one more important reason why we have to learn this sales and distribution module is that this SAP SD module provides complete end-to-end special sales order processes configuration, which includes cash sales, rush sales, free goods, third-party sales orders, intercompany sales order processes effectively for delivering the product to the customers. So this is also one of the major reason why we have to learn this SD module. and why the companies are implementing the SD module for their businesses. So we have discussed about the sales order processing, and in here we are going to discuss about special sales order processing. What is the difference between sales order processing and special sales order processing? See, if you are taking the normal sales order processing, it starts with inquiry, quotation, standard sales order, that is standard order, followed by delivery and billing. Whereas in the special sales order processes, delivery will take place automatically along with the sales orders. So there is no need to create delivery separately for the special sales order processing like cash sales, rush sales. And similarly, if we take free goods as one of the special sales order processes, what is meant by free goods? Free goods means in the festival time, the companies are providing 1+1. That means if you purchase one material, then one material will be given free of cost. So that means in the simple example, I can say that during the festival season, we have seen many ads stating that if you purchase one mobile, then you will be getting some free, like headphones or some other stuff. So that means what? Only they will be charging for the original material what we have purchased. In our scenario, our original material is our mobile phone, where for we have to pay and get it. But similarly, for headphones, that is the free of goods, that is the free goods given by the companies during the festival season. So for that we no need to pay. So that means that is the reason why it is considered as one of the special sales order processing. Remember that. So free goods means what? Free goods configuration involves the cost for the original material as well as free cost, that is zero cost for the free goods what they are supplied to the customers during the festival season. And then we have third party sales orders. What is meant by third party sales orders? Once again, it involves the third party in handling the sales order processes. So it is also one of the special sales order processing. And we have intercompany sales order processing. That means within company we are doing the sales activities. So that is what is called as an intercompany sales order processes. So at the end, why we are doing these things and all? At the end, we are doing this only for delivering the product to the customers. That is the reason why we are using both sales order processing as well as special sales order processing. We will discuss in detail about the special sales order processing like cash sales order, rush sales order, free goods determination, third party sales order, as well as intercompany sales order processes in our later videos. But this is the difference between the normal sales order processing as well as the special sales order processing. And the next important reason why we have to learn this sales and distribution model is that the sales and distribution model plays a vital role in delivering the product to the customers, and also in turn which should be integrated with other SAP modules like SAP Material Management module, SAP Production Planning module, SAP Finance module, and SAP CO module. That should be done very effectively. Then only we can be able to deliver the product to the customers successfully in the real-time industry. So these are all the reasons behind learning this SAP SD module, and these are all the advantages of implementing this SD module in the company, because using SAP SD module we can easily deliver the product to the customers, because it consists of normal sales order processing as well as special sales order processing. So this normal sales order processing follows the standard process of inquiry, followed by quotation, followed by creating the standard sales order, followed by delivery of the product, followed by billing. Once again, we have different special sales order processing also we have discussed, namely cash sales order, rush sales order, we have free goods determination, we have third party sales orders, we have intercompany sales order processes. So these processes are coming under special sales order processing, So we need to identify the normal sales order processing as well as the special sales order processing. Then only they can be able to deliver the product to the customers. And one more important areas that why we have to learn this SAP SD module is that the implementation of SD module consists of the integration of SD module with different other modules. Say for example, material management module, it should be integrated with production planning module, it should be integrated with FI and CO modules effectively. Then only the entire end-to-end business process will take place successfully in the SAP system. So these are all the reasons why we are going to learn this SD module, and this is one of the important reason for the companies to implement SAP SD module for handling the day-to-day operations using this sales activities. And about myself, I am Raja. I am having more than 20 plus years of experience in the SAP industry. I have worked as a consultant, I have worked as a practice head, I have worked as a delivery head for many important projects. I have done many implementation, production support, rollout and upgrade projects as well. I have got more than 5 years of on-site experience handling Middle East and European clients. And regarding my certification areas and interests, I have done my certification in finance, I have done my certification in BPC, that is Business Process Consolidation module. I have done my certification in S4HANA Simple Finance. I have done my certification in S4HANA Simple Logistics module. I have done my certification in SAP S4HANA Central Finance. I have done my certification recently in SAP Business and Revenue Innovation Management, that is SAP BRIM application, that is previously SAP Hybris module. So in this video, we have discussed very clearly about why we have to learn this SD module and what are all the major advantages of learning this SAP SD module from the consultant's point of view. And similarly, we have discussed about the advantages from the company's point of view as well. Once, if the candidates are very strong in the above discussed areas, then only they can be able to implement, they can be able to support, they can be able to design, they can be able to execute the end-to-end SD modules in the real-time industry. So in our next video, we will discuss very clearly about the difference between the sales order processing and special sales order processing, because each and everything is very important for handling the sales activities in the real-time environment. As we have already discussed about the normal sales order processing, which starts from inquiry, quotation, standard sales orders, followed by delivery and billing. If you are coming to the special sales order processing, once again we are having different special sales order processing like cash sales order, rush sales order, free goods determination, and then we have third party sales orders and intercompany sales orders as well. So I think in this video, you people are clearly understood what is the reason for learning this sales and distribution module, and we will discuss about the special sales order processing and sales order processing in our next videos. Thank you.